All right, hey, it's Locksmith here. All right, we're going to open up a Spark, and we're going to try with a tool that I normally don't use that much, but I'm just curious to see if Chevrolet has fixed the problem. The old SLIMJIM. Let's see. I'm not going to go fishing with it, but we got her. Hey, thanks again for watching Locksmith. Remember, these videos just for educational and instructional use only. This vehicle, normally if they have their roadside, they can contact them because they do have OnStar, but this is a dead battery, so like I said, these are training videos only. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.